Hello. Welcome back. I'm Sophie.
Hi. I'm Matthew.
How was your learning of the subject of the sentence? It's not that hard to find the subject of the sentence, right?
So now, we are going to learn about the predicate of the sentence, what is the direct object and indirect object, and what are the types of sentences. Are you ready? Let's start.
Welcome to English Grammar Crash Course of One Step English. Let's learn English.
Last time, we learned what a sentence is all about. We also learned what the subject of the sentence is. Let's take a quick look at what we learned last time. A sentence is a series of words that contains a subject and a predicate, and it expresses a complete thought. The subject of a sentence is who or what the sentence is about. Let's test your memory. Circle the subject in the following sentences. 1. Sophie ate the cupcake. Let's check your answer. Sophie is the subject of the sentence. Sophie is doing the action, ate. 2. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Let's check your answer. Venus is the main subject of the sentence. Venus is the subject of the main verb, is.
The predicate of a sentence is the verb and anything that logically belongs with it, the objects, modifiers, or complements. The predicate usually ends the English sentence. In the following examples, complete subjects are underlined and predicates are in brackets. I love to cook. In this example, I is the subject and love to cook is the predicate. Sophie and Matthew attend piano class on Mondays and Fridays. Sophie and Matthew are the subjects and attend piano class on Mondays and Fridays is the predicate of the sentence. Remaining silent can be just as destructive as telling a lie. Remaining silent is the subject, and can be just as destructive as telling a lie is the predicate. Always remember, the subject is who or what the sentence is about, or who or what performs or receives the action, while the predicate is the verb and any objects, complements, or modifiers. Predicates can be single or compound. A compound predicate has the same subject for two or more different verbs. Look at these examples of single predicate and compound predicate. Single predicate. A good friend helps when asked. The subject is good friend. The predicate is helps when asked. Compound predicate. A good friend helps when asked and asks for help. The subject is good friend. The predicates are helps when asked and asks for help. The two predicates are joined together by coordinating conjunction and. Let's test your knowledge. Put a slash between the subject and predicate in each sentence. 1. The cat ran. Let's check your answer. The cat, ran. The cat is the subject of the sentence because the sentence is telling something about that cat. And what is telling? It says that the cat ran. So in this sentence, the subject is cat, and the predicate is ran. 2. The exam was difficult. Let's check your answer. The exam, was difficult. The exam is the subject of the sentence, and the predicate is was difficult. The word was is the verb, and the word difficult is the subject complement, that means it is a predicate adjective. 3. The lady from the shop is an actress. Let's check your answer. The lady from the shop, is an actress. In this sentence, the subject is the lady from the shop, and the predicate is an actress. The word is the verb of the sentence. And the words, "and actress," is the subject complement, which means it is a predicate nominative.
As you've seen, the basic English sentence pattern is subject-predicate. Predicates come in different shapes and sizes, forming four main sentence patterns. First, the S, V, or subject, verb. Second, the S, LV, C, or subject, linking verb, complement. Third, the S, V, O, or subject, verb, direct object. And, fourth, the S, V, IO, O, or subject, verb, indirect object, object. In some sentences, the base verb is a linking verb. Linking verb means a verb that links a subject to its complement. Please note that a complement is the part of a predicate that describes or renames the subject. To complement means to make perfect or complete. A complement completes the subject. Complements are connected to the subject by a linking verb. For example, I am a teacher. The complement, a teacher, describes the subject, I. The linking verb that connects the complement to its subject is, am. Another example. Once in a blue moon means about once every 2.5 years. The phrase, about once every 2.5 years, defines, once in a blue moon. The linking verb that connects the complement to its subject is, means. Forms of the verb, to be, such as, am, is, are, was, were, being, and been, often serve as, helping verbs. For example, I am going to the park. In this sentence, the word, am, is the helping verb. And the word, going, is the main verb of the sentence. But when, to be, is the base verb, it is a linking verb. For example, I am putty in his hands. In this sentence, the word, am, is the linking verb that connects, I, and, putty in his hands, to show the relationship or condition. Descriptive verbs, such as, become, feel, appear, look, seem, taste, sound, and smell, are often linking verbs as well. For example, you look exhausted after studying all night. In this sentence, the word, look, is the linking verb that connects, you, and, exhausted after studying all night, to show the relationship or condition. Let's test your knowledge. Tell if the following sentences follow the S, LV, C, or subject, linking verb, complement. 1. For many years, the Republic of Congo was a colony of Belgium. Let's check your answer. Yes. It follows the S, LV, C. The word, was, is a linking verb. A colony of Belgium, describes, the Republic of Congo. 2. Contrary to popular belief, most species of snakes are not poisonous. Let's check your answer. Yes. It follows the S, LV, C. The word, are, is a linking verb. Not poisonous, describes, species. 3. The most popular fruit worldwide is the mango. Let's check your answer. Yes. It follows the S, LV, C. The word, is a linking verb. Mango, renames, most popular fruit.
While linking verbs connect to subject and complement, transitive verb take their action out on a direct object. Direct object is a person, or thing, in the predicate. There are a number of types of object. When we simply say, object, we mean the direct object. For example, I understand your message. In this sentence, the word, message, receives the action of the verb, understand. Message, is what is being understood. Take a look at this example. I will pick up some milk on the way home from work. Like subjects, direct objects are never in prepositional phrases. Let's test your knowledge. Circle the direct object in the following sentences. 1. For some reason, Peter Pumpkin Eater put his wife in a pumpkin shell. 2. Let's check your answer. The word, wife, directly receives the action of the verb, she is put. 2. The alarm startled me. 3. Let's check your answer. The word, me, directly receives the action of, startled. 3. The general found shelter for his troops. 4. Let's check your answer. The word, shelter, directly receives the action. Shelter is what the general found.
The direct object directly receives the action of the verb, while the indirect object receives the direct object. For example, my boss will give me a raise. The words, a raise, is what will be given, so it is the direct object. But, who will receive that raise? Me. The indirect object. Take a look at these examples. The police question Matthew about the accident. In this sentence, there is no indirect object. Matthew directly receives the action of the verb, question. Another example. The police asked Matthew many questions about the accident. In this sentence, the word, questions, is the direct object. And, Matthew, is the indirect object. Let's test your knowledge. In the following sentences, put a slash between subject and predicate, underline the verb, and use arrows to indicate the movement of the action from subject to verb, from verb to direct object, and from direct object to indirect object. 1. Between you and me, Matthew should offer Sophie that position. 2. Let's check your answer. The subject is Matthew. The predicate is should offer Sophie that position. The verb is should offer. From subject to verb, Matthew should offer. From verb to direct object, should offer position. From direct object to indirect object, position to Sophie. 2. Please give Matthew my best. Let's check your answer. The subject is you. You is an understood subject. The predicate is please give Matthew my best. The verb is give. From subject to verb, you give. From verb to direct object, give best. From direct object to indirect object, best give. Hey, there. Now, we are done with the predicate, direct object, and indirect object.
In the next video, we will learn about intransitive verb and types of sentences.
We will also summarize the whole topic of sentence parts and patterns.
And, of course, before we finish the second topic, sentence parts and patterns, of English grammar course of One Step English, we will give you the chapter quiz to assess your learning.
See you in the next video of English Grammar Crash Course of One Step English.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.